Hey friends, today I want to tell you about something interesting that recently happened to me here in Balibago. One day, a man who works in the Barangay stopped me and said, "Hey, I'm subscribed to you. I watch your videos all the time." So I asked him, "Oh, really? Where do you watch my videos? Which channel?" And he said, "On Facebook." That immediately surprised me because honestly, I barely upload anything to Facebook anymore. Most of my content is on YouTube. Then he showed me the Facebook page he was talking about. And it turned out to be the page of that blogger who secretly films people around Fields Avenue and other parts of Angeles City. That guy has huge audience, mostly Filipinos, and according to him, many people in Balibago watch those videos because sometimes they accidentally appear in them. And here's the funny part. They thought it was ME filming those videos. Why? Because they often see me walking around openly with the camera in my hand. So I explained to him, that's not my page, that's not my Facebook account, and that's not my content. Then I showed him my real Facebook page and my YouTube channel. He looked genuinely surprised and said, "Wow, I really thought it was you, because we always see you walking around with a camera." And I told him, "No, I don't film like that." I explained that the person we're talking about secretly records people. He hides the camera and films very closely, especially women and couples zooming in while they talking, shopping, or just walking around. He told me many Filipinos find it strange because local people usually don't film others that way. And honestly, I agree. I told him that's most likely a foreigner doing it, because the videos seem heavily focused on girls and very personal moments. Meanwhile, when you see me filming, my camera is always visible. I never hide it. That's a huge difference. The person secretly filming hides the camera inside a bag or somewhere people can't notice it. But when I record videos, everybody can clearly see I'm holding camera. And I want to make something very clear to all of you. Before I even started filming videos in the Philippines, I asked questions and got advice about what is allowed and what is not allowed. I spoke with friends in Manila who work in government, and I also know police officers here in the Philippines who explained the rules to me. That's why all of my videos are filmed openly. I don't secretly record people. I simply walk through public places and show the atmosphere around me. So now I'm going to show you some comments and a short example of the kind of hidden camera filming people we are confusing with my content. After you see it, you'll understand exactly what I mean. And again, that is not my channel and that is not the way I film videos. Thanks for watching. Now I want to show you how some bloggers secretly hide cameras using different kinds of bags. For example, here's my PackSafe shoulder bag. You can easily place a DJI Pocket 2 or Pocket 3 inside like this. Honestly, Almost any small pocket camera can fit inside and record without being noticed. This travel pouch works the same way. You can hide a small camera inside and walk around filming secretly. But let me make this very clear. I do not film this way. I'm only showing you how it can be done and how some people are doing it. I've personally seen someone hiding a camera inside a bag exactly like this. Now, this camera here, the DJI Nano, is actually perfect for hidden recording because it's extremely small. You can attach it almost anywhere using magnets to a bag, a pole, a wall, almost anything. There's even a remote dock that lets you control the camera very easily. The camera can be positioned at different angles, and because it's so small, most people would never notice it. The only downside is that walking footage at night is not very stable. But if someone stands still and secretly records people from a distance, especially zooming in on them, like the blogger we've been talking about, then this camera works surprisingly well even at night. You could literally attach it somewhere and secretly film people without them realizing it. And once again, I do not do this. All of my videos are filmed openly. The person we're talking about hides his identity because what he's doing could create serious legal problems if someone files a complaint. There can be fines, legal charges, deportation issues, very serious consequences. And I say this as someone who studied law, worked in law enforcement in the past, and also consulted with people in the Philippine police about what is allowed when filming videos here. Now let me show you another example. With an Apple Watch and an iPhone, you can remotely start recording video directly from the watch. The phone doesn't even need to be in your hand. It can stay in your pocket or somewhere nearby while recording. Samsung devices have similar features too. Technology today makes hidden filming very easy. And that's exactly why people should understand the difference between hidden recording and open public filming. Now I also want to show you some comments I received under my videos about the blogger who secretly films illegal content here in the Philippines. I know some viewers from his audience also watch this channel. Many people already know who he is. You can even see the name mentioned in comments, but I'm not going to say it directly. Most people already understand who we are talking about. And honestly, forbidden content always attracts attention. People are curious about things they're not supposed to see. That's why this kind of content becomes popular. But again, I want to clearly repeat, I do not secretly record people. All the videos on my channel are filmed openly with visible cameras, usually the DJI Pocket 2, Pocket 3 or DJI Action camera. And all the shorts you see on this channel are simply clips taken from my regular public videos. Nothing is hidden,